Fission. In fission, a fully grown parent divides into two or more than two daughters. It is the simplest method of asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms such as amoeba, paramecium, and other protozoa. Fission is of two types: binary fission, multiple fission. Binary fission is the division of one cell into two similar or identical cells during favorable conditions. In this method, the nucleus first divides amitotically into two, followed by the division of the cytoplasm. The cell finally splits into two daughter cells. Examples: bacteria, yeast, euglena, amoeba, and paramecium. Multiple fission is parental fission. Parental body divides into many daughter cells simultaneously during the unfavorable conditions. The nucleus of the cell divides repeatedly, producing many nuclei. Each nucleus is surrounded by a small amount of cytoplasm, and many daughter cells are produced within cyst. The cyst breaks up under favorable conditions, and small offsprings are liberated. Example of multiple fission is that of malaria parasite Plasmodium.